Hey, new age professionals. Ever wondered what truly sets a business leader apart? It's not just about driving profit or shouting the loudest in meetings. It's about future-proofing your organization when the unexpected hits. Disasters come in all shapes and sizes. Natural events, data breaches, supply chain failures. They're rarely announced with a polite email. So what makes a real difference? Preparation, the kind that sets you apart, makes you irreplaceable, and, let's be honest, gives you the confidence to sleep soundly at night. That's where the OnlyTRAININGS powered ISO 22301 lead implementer training from PECB comes in. This self-paced training arms you with practical skills and knowledge to implement a business continuity management system, one that keeps your business running, whatever comes your way. After just 5 days of focused, interactive online training, you'll be ready for the exam. Pass it, and you're eligible for the internationally recognized PCB certified ISO 22301 lead implementer credential. That's the gold standard. It tells the world you're equipped to lead, protect, and guide your company through disruption. Why should you care? Because ISO certification doesn't just look good on your CV. It makes you a highly sought-after asset in today's competitive market. You'll learn how to identify risks, minimize damage, and keep operations humming along, even when chaos reigns outside. That's not just valuable, it's vital. This training is perfect for managers, consultants, and anyone looking to master business continuity. You'll cover everything, from the basics of BCMS, planning and implementation, to monitoring, improving, and preparing for those all-important certification audits. And yes, the exam is open book, with a free retake if you need it, so there's no reason not to give it a go. Plus, you get a whopping 450 pages of up-to-date training material, practical examples, and real-world exercises. Not just theory, but tools you can use from day one. So are you ready to stand out and be irreplaceable? Secure your future. Lead your organization to resilience. Enroll in the OnlyTRAININGS-powered PCB ISO IEC 22301 Lead Implementer Certification Training today. To register, click on the link in the description or visit onlytrainings.com now.